Justin Shearer, aka Big Chief, is a big name in the world of street racing. Though he was already known amongst the street racing fanatics before he even featured in the Discovery show, his fame really shot up when he starred in Street Outlaws. As one of the pivotal members, Shearer worked in the show since its inception back in 2013. The show chronicles the world of illegal street racing in America. Although the show has long since ended, Justin's fans would like to know what is Big Chief doing nowadays. Well, in this video, we are going to find out the answers, including some other random facts about him. But before getting into it, make sure you are subscribed to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all the latest updates. His early life. Justin was born on the 9th of December 1980 in Louisville, Kentucky, as the eldest son between his parents. According to reports, he was raised by his mother for the majority of his childhood, as his dad passed away quite early. Aside from himself, Justin has a younger brother named Logan Shearer who works with him at the Midwest Street Cars. He was interested in cars from a young age. We all know that if a guy is into guns or cars, then most often than not, his dad would be the sole person responsible for his son's interest. Likewise, Shearer's late father used to own an automotive garage where he used to repair and modify cars. As a young boy, he used to work at his father's garage as an apprentice. While working with his old man, he learned all about cars. Well, his interest certainly didn't just stay as a hobby, as he carved out a career out of it. He started riding as a kid. It was at the age of 9 when Justin got his first bicycle. With his new bicycle, he would often take off and go see street races all around the town. Shearer would go and sit at the old Route 66 and watch the drivers race each other. His interest in street racing increased further when he, along with his family, moved to Oklahoma, a state where street racing was quite prevalent. He made a big name for himself before the show Street Outlaws. Well, there are many who believe Shearer surely became famous after appearing in the Discovery show. Well, Justin was already a big name in the world of drag racing before even the show's concept was out. It was Discovery Network who first approached Justin for the show, and the rest is history. After its debut in June 2013, the show became an instant sensation, mostly amongst racing enthusiasts. The show made its final run back in 2019, with season 14 as its last. The show also has a few spin-offs, including Street Outlaws Memphis. We have already covered all about the main members of the Street Outlaws Memphis in previous videos, so make sure you check it out. He owns an automotive shop. As an automobile enthusiast, he also operates an automotive shop named Midwest Street Cars. He is currently based out of Oklahoma and is a big name in the street racing scene. Big Chief is currently the go-to guy when it comes to street racing in the state. If anyone wants a spot in the Oklahoma racing scene, then they have to go through him. His personal life. Justin is currently in a relationship with Jackie Brash. The couple has been dating for a couple of years and both of them are totally head over heels for each other. His girlfriend is also a racer and a member of Car Chicks, a motorsport organization for women. Besides, Big Chief has said multiple times that he plans to marry his current girlfriend. Previously, Justin was married to Alicia Shearer. The couple had exchanged vows on 29 September 2006. They first met at a gas station where both of them worked. The former flames share 2 children between them, both of them boys, Colville and Corbin. His net worth. Justin has been racing and building race cars for a long time, so it is natural he has also earned a lot of money. Moreover, he starred in the Discovery show for around 6 years, so he also raked in a decent amount of money from there as well. As of now, reports suggest his total net worth is around $2 million. Well, that is all for today. Make sure you hit the like button if you like the video and dislike if not. Comment down below as to which celebrity would you like to hear about next.